In front of me is OnePlus Ace 3 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching SMS app and selecting or creating a chat. Following that, use this plus at the bottom left corner and click on Files to add an audio one. Now you can select audio at the top, tap on one of your apps, or click on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. After locating your file that you wish to add, you need to hold it and click Select at the top right corner to attach it. To add a video one, tap on Gallery section instead of Files, and if your video is recent, add it from here by clicking on it. Then decide if you wish to send it as Google Photos link or low quality video, and tap on Just Once or Always. You can also click on Folders and look for your video over here. Then tap on it, select one of those options again and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!